Hello traders, my name is RJ, and the last time we updated Bitcoin was that we're going to come to this box and we buy more to go away to wait for. And the update we have on that is that we actually complete this range, but it doesn't enter the box as we predicted. With this thing that happened actually changes everything in the market. It was supposed to come into the box and doesn't go into the box, changes everything, right? And this is it on candlestick for the people that doesn't understand the bar chart. And since the market doesn't go into the box as we predicted, we actually bought around this range because the market sometimes might not go inside this wave and start going up. That is it. We bought around this wave A, but we want to complete the wave C before giving you the update that Bitcoin is time to buy it. But it doesn't go back to the box, which changes body everything about the structure that is unfolding. And the update we have on that is that it formed an impulse, which is a 1, 2, and also have subwave of impulse, which is 1, 2. This one is like diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The structure change immediately since it doesn't go inside the box, right? So after the 5 completion, we're going to expect a corrective structure. So this corrective structure will give you opportunity to buy for those that doesn't got the move around there. Okay, so the corrective structure is now unfolding. This is it. It's now unfolding, going all the way down. It's going to come to this box range and start buying for wave 3 because this become an impulse just because it doesn't go into this box as we predicted. Do you see that it is very important to actually follow up with the structure that is unfolding? Don't just be like, place the trade, forget about everything. My teacher Jim Wong will say, summertime is time to nourish and protect your value from weed. Because if you don't protect your value from weeds, they are going to take your garden. That is it. And since then, we have been going all the way to sell. And the sell is not for you to actually, this is the real chart. The sell is not for you to actually sell. The sell opportunity that is in there is not for you to sell. It is for you to look for opportunity to buy. That is how some traders actually get it wrong. They don't understand what selling, the retracement, is for. The retracement is not for you to sell. The retracement is for you to position yourself in the direction of the larger trend. Okay? The opportunity you are looking for is buying because the main trend right now is buy. Okay? The main trend is buy. Now we're expecting to retrace all the way down. Once it retraces all the way down, the expectation is to start buying more, not to sell. So people start selling around this way, saying, yeah, we have double top, double. What is double? Where is double top? I don't see double top. I don't see double bottom. You understand? I see structure. You see analysis in here. Okay? And now our expectation is that this retracement coming down will come to this with 4, then we start going with 3. That is our expectation for now on Bitcoin chart. So you should update yourself on that. That your expectation is to start looking for the buying opportunities, not the sell. Because around this range, we are actually saying we are going with C and you started selling. You just see that the market do some magic, keep going up. Can you see? That is why it is very bad to trade against the main trend. Don't trade against the main trend. When you are in bullish trend, when you should just be expecting retracement to position yourself in the direction of the larger trend. That is what you do. Okay, so this is the new update. The update changed immediately because of one thing, because we didn't get into this box. That is it. And now this is what we have. Okay, so once we have the corrective structure, should be expecting it is likely to touch this this used to be a resistant level and become support. It is likely that we retest it, or we doesn't retest the support level. And some people might actually try to put their buying limit around this support level, and the market, you just see that the market starts retracing and doesn't touch their buying limit before going up. That is it. It's the same thing that happened here. Just some people would think that you actually reach that box level, they started going up. Okay, so just find the retracement around here, buy around this range, then go with trade. That is it. Have a great day.